Hello everyone. Today we are going to see an iron-on project using Cricut. So today I am going to decorate this jewel box with some text over it. Let's see what are the products needed to make this one. First, the smart iron which I have picked up for the Cricut Joy, and the Cricut Easy Press Mini, the cute machine, and the Cricut Joy machine. Before starting that one, we will open the Design Space app. So here I am just going in, and I have already entered the text and bookmark that one. So I am going to just click on customize. So we can directly put make it or customize. If we need some changes, we can go with the customize. So this is the text I am going to print on that box in the top over. So I'm just making sure this make sure the size is correct of the jewel box. It's something like you can see here. So it's a something the 4-inch, and it's a 2-inch width, like that. So since it's an iron-on, we should mirror it on. So always for the iron-on, I should enable the mirror on. After that, next, so the option is without matte. Since I am using the smart material, so here I am going to choose the smart iron-on. So no matte is required for all the smart materials, so this is the one I am going to use. So I am going to choose the smart iron-on. So it will prompt like make sure to turn on the mirror on, and the shiny side of the sheet should be kept upside down. So let's open this one. Okay, so this is the outside is the matte side, and this is the matte side. Okay, we should the shiny side should be come down. So I will just keep it's just measuring, because already we clicked to make it right, so it's prompting measure the size. It loaded materials model. Now I have to press go. It will take some time to prepare, and the cutting starts. So here goes the cutting. Once the cutting is done, we need to unload the material by clicking OK. We should not pull out the material. We need to give the unload material, then the material we need to take it out. It's either with or without mat. Now, if you turn and see the shiny side, the treasure chest has been cut very nicely. So now I will just cut out this part alone for weeding. So this is the part. I am using the Cricut Joy starter toolkit to the weeder tool, and I will start weeding these vinyl. I will just fast forward over this weeding portion. It's very smooth to weed this one iron on. So it's done, the iron nail is done. So this is the base where we are going to stick now. So I am just making sure the size and the position of the iron on. Okay, it's fine now. So now we will see how to use that Easy Press Mini. So it was very easy to use, only few options in that one. Okay, now I will keep this aside, and this is the Easy Press mini machine. So the always make sure to keep that machine in that base black which is in the bottom. So I will show how to choose the heat for every material. Okay, so now again I'm coming to the design space. If you come out, there is some option called more. At the home page, if you see that more is there, right? If you click this one, the heat guide is there. You have to click that one. It will go to that Cricut page. So here we need to choose the machine. So we are going to choose the Easy Press Mini and heat transfer material. We are using a smart iron, so I'm going to choose that one. And the base material, it's kind of velvet cloth, so I'm choosing the low heat I need, so I'm going to choose it as an silk option. Now apply. It will show how many seconds we need to preheat and how many seconds we need to just iron on that one. The preheat for 5 seconds and for 30 seconds we need to firmly press over that iron on. So that's what it's showing them. So for every material it will show how many seconds we need to put the iron on. So all other how the preparation and the application, the care for fabrics and everything will be listed in this app itself, so you can see for any other material. So now let's see the machine. So I'm going to switch it on. Okay, I forgot to plug in, so I plugged in now. Let's on. So this is the low and medium and high. So we are going to just use the low, so I have to click once and just keep on that base and wait this red light to turn into green. So if it's turned into green, then it means it's ready to use. On that time we can start using that machine. So till then let's wait for a few seconds, it won't take much time. So let's keep the base ready to start the iron on. There will be one sound when it's ready. Okay, I'm just preheating for 5 seconds and very mildly I did because it's a velvet cloth. Now it's on green. Okay, for 30 seconds I need to do the iron on. Okay, let's start here over here. So the iron is done. Now we need to wait for a few seconds to cool down. So once that sheet cools down, then we need to peel off, else it won't stick faster. uh, so I will just make sure to there was something peeling up, so I again just pressed over there that part alone. Now it's ready to peel that plastic layer on the iron. Okay, it clearly went. I will just fast forward over here. Okay, it's done now. It was sticking very neatly, and there was it was clearly sticked into that material. It looks complete now. The box looks very complete now. And make sure to keep the machine always in that base because the heat will be there after you switch off also for a few seconds. So now it's done with the smart iron. Hope you like this one. Thank you everyone.